Doing a video shoot today with Fox Factory. We've got our Covert Edition Akins Ford F250 Lariat, 3-inch lifted, 37s and 20s. We got the Method as well, representing for the Fox gang because we got Fox Shocks, of course. They own Method Wheel now. We got the squad here in strong force today. Got the F150 Recons and Methods, of course, and more Methods on the Tundra. Nate's got his Raptor. We're about to go do a creek crossing with the Super Duty. So refreshing to me to get out in nature and actually showcase these trucks where they belong, on the dirt, not on the concrete. I really do appreciate you all watching our video. They are mostly on the concrete at the dealership. That's so impressive to me, so hopefully you'll enjoy today. Let's go. It's a beautiful property. Definitely love doing some mild off-roading in our trucks to see how they really perform. Got the 3-inch kit, Fox 2.0s, dual steering stabilizer, and we got RT trails on this bad boy. Look at this interior on the Lariat. The two-tone hits different. Nate and Bruce and the boys and girls are over there getting the cameras and the drones ready. A mild creek crossing. Should be epic on the camera though. So it's hard for me to film and drive at the same time they're filming me now, so I gotta cut it off, y'all. Sorry. Hit that one pretty hard. That was fun, y'all. Love this. Let's go. Well, that was fun. Just took like 4 hard passes on the 250. Now look, y'all, we're not abusing this truck. We just did a little mild mid-speed off-roading creek crossing there. To me, it's cool that somebody's gonna own this truck that's gonna be in BDS and Fox promotions across the entire country. That's like buying a superstar. What a shot right there. Look at that. Good folks right here. We got Nate and Bruce, got all of our crew, F150 in staging area, ready to rip. What a cool shot. 2-wheel drive too. I like it. And we're stuck. My boy Nate doing Raptor things. I feel like that even when you came forward, this is so soft.
Yeah, the front right is, I think,
yeah.
sort of stuck.
Yeah. Nate, we pulled the stick out. We pulled that big old, that log was there, but he's still in such a soft sand base.
The come through one too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this just got a lot more interesting. That's soft.
I know.
Like, it's good. It's fine for my truck, but this is gonna be.
That's what I was telling him. Like, this is super soft, even with the rock base. Get a 4-wheel drive, y'all. Just get a 4-wheel drive. Gotta love off-roading adventures. I think Nate knew he was gonna get stuck. He just wanted to use the Raptor.
He definitely just wanted to do that.
For Raptor things. Well worth it. Very nice. Very nice. 2-wheel drive with the Recon grapplers. It's like Nate's having a ball out here at Jason McDaniel's farm. Intermission time. Got done here, going to the next farm. Now we're over at Tanner's family's land. Another great farm over here in Barrow County. About to get after it, do some more lifestyle farming shots with the UTV. One F150 is complete and headed back to Fox Factory Corporate. Bruce's Tundra's looking legit on the BDS kit Methods, and I'm loving the Ranger XP 1000, baby. Got the BFG KM3s on there too. So while they're unloading and filming the side-by-side doing their thing right now, I want to take the time to tell you about our latest Covert Edition, a 24 Akins Ford F250 Lariat. We've been doing black on black Lariat Sports, but want to change it up and do a chrome appearance package. So notice chrome bumper, chrome grille, big Ford emblem, didn't paint it. There's still many ways we could take this to the next level with more paint and other upgrades, light bars, etc. That's actually the factory valence that we trim. We don't install the trimmer ones because we can make it a little bit longer. So if you don't like it at the 2.5-inch mark like we have here, we can trim it 3, 4, 5 inches, whatever you so choose. But I love it this size. It's not giving you really any fuel economy benefits. I'm more about the approach angle increase and the aesthetically pleasing looks of this beautiful truck. The power stroke is so powerful. I love this powertrain, 10-speed Method wheels. This is one of my favorite Method wheel designs. It's clean and simple, and the simulated bead locks with the bolts really flows and works with the chrome. An all black look would not work, and it's a matte black wheel which ties in with our non-painted components on side badges, mirrors, and more. Now we are rocking a 3-inch BDS kit. I love this kit. It actually feels taller than 3 inches to me. You got your BDS rear radius arms, and we are kind of crossbreeding here, running our Carly torsion sway bar. I just feel this is the best sway bar on the market. It's not as rough and rigid as the Fat Ribbon, plus gives you more clearance up front overall. Gives you the best balance of on-road and off-road comfort and capability, and the Fox BDS dual steering stabilizer down below just looks incredible, but definitely gives you a more stiff and confident feel no matter where you're driving. There's no doubt this truck is a big truck on this 3-inch lift. 37s, of course. We could have ran 38s with this same setup, even with the aggressiveness on the mild to wild scale. But I believe this is the best balance overall, this particular build. Ant Research power deployable running boards. I wanted to alleviate and get rid of that big chrome running board down the side, plus just entry and exit and much improved with the Ant Research boards. It just looks amazing. Truck looks taller than it actually is with the power board on there versus standard board. Let me know what you think. I'm not mad about the chrome anywhere. I think it works and flows. I would just maybe love to see the blue to black out back and that be it. But of course, you know, we can throw paint on this thing and take it to a whole nother level pretty easily. Mild to wild scale at the back, you can see pretty aggressive on that negative offset. We're sticking out about 3.5 inches overall. It is a wide combo. You could add flares, but I think it looks good just the way it's rolling. Husky rear wheel well liners already going to work, saving you time when you're washing, because without this, it's all exposed and stuff's going to get in crooks and crannies. Going to be more difficult to wash overall. So our detail guys will have easier time cleaning this bad boy up, and it'll look amazing when it's all shining and on our lot, ready to roll. One thing about the interior, a tough combo to find, the tannin black dual leather on the inside. I love this combo. Overall, it looks great. It's just not your typical predictable all black. So that's a refresh that I can appreciate. Toyo Open Country RT Trail is that Nitto Ridge Grappler competitor, and it's impressed me so far as how well it performs on all conditions. And this is an E-load rated tire. Be careful with what load rating you get. If you go up to a 22, you're going to be stuck with an F-load and a 37, which just matters as far as overall comfort. But the more ply, of course, you have more confidence in sidewall and tread protection. BDS radius arms are notched inward for more articulation and clearance as well, and I love the added strength they give the truck. Got more filming to do. They're shooting the side-by-side right now. We're going to go out back and do some cattle scenes in the back. More rollers of this bad boy. Don't go anywhere. I got more cool stuff to show you. Doing their thing. Look at Bruce. Bruce looks good in that thing, man. Great guy right here. I just met for the first time doing some still shots of our covert edition. The whole crew in Bruce's Ranger, we are ready to rock. It is almost 3 o'clock. We've been going at this all day long. That's the biggest thing, that it requires time to get this just right. Multiple shots, multiple angles, different cameras, drones, etc. People don't understand what it takes to make quality videography. And the crew I'm with today, they're so legit, and I love seeing them. I'm learning myself, y'all. Of course, I love and take pride in what I do for us here at the dealership, but the Fox guys are top notch. Now I'm about to do some rollers behind the Ranger, and it sure is pretty down here. Shooting area too. Come sling some lead over here. Bruce got a little Corsa on the Tundra. First time I've heard that. So we just finished Super Duty covert filming. Now it's Tundra time. My squad in the Ranger, we are ready. Tundra looking good. Bruce is about to go right where the two-wheel drive got stuck earlier. It's a soft base, but I think the Tundra can handle it. Sarah's been hanging out today, enjoying the day. What's been your favorite vehicle to see cross the creek today? What have you liked to see cross it the most? Polaris?
That one.
The Polaris?
Yep, the Polaris.
It's pretty comfortable too, right?
It is. It's so much fun. Yeah, that would be an awesome one to take out and rip around in.
It would. Just open air environment.
Absolutely.
Good stuff. Watching this video, like, Tundra got some capability. It's getting soft right here though. This is gonna be soft. Gas, gas, gas. Rut-row. That frontal catch, there we go. Yeah, come on. Meanwhile, Nate and I are salivating at the thought of the Raptor going through there. Man, we would just go, if that bridge wasn't there, I'd say let's just do it. Let's just do it.
I might just put it out my system.
Bruce, whose truck is that?
This truck?
Yeah.
It's Nate's.
And just like I told you, Nate couldn't resist. Raptor stuff. And that is a wrap. Tundra, Ranger, 250 Covert, Raptor. Another day in the life of Real Deal. I'm so blessed and thankful just looking up to the heavens right now, thanking God every single day for all that he blesses me with. Although things are so great right now, I've had times in my life where things weren't great. I know there could be trials and tribulations that come my way in the future, but I'm gonna stay centered and reserved in knowing that Christ has everything covered. I'm protected. He loves me and cares for me. He cares for every single one of us. Each person I see in this great world, I know is a child of God. So I'm just all about kindness, y'all. Kindness is still king, and that means everything to me. What I get to do on a daily basis brings me a lot of joy, but nothing like my Heavenly Father. Out here in this great patcher of Tanner's family, can't beat it, y'all. This is truly special. Thanks for watching. Catch me tomorrow because I'm never stopping. Peace out.